In this video, I'll be showing you how to make audio ID public on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, Samsung, or, a PC or desktop as well. So all you want to do is open up your Roblox application, then go over and press the three lines, which in my instance is the top left. Now, we're going to see a lot of options here, but I want to go ahead and click on Create. Now, once you're on Create, you're going to see a lot of different things. So all I want to do is go over to press the three lines again on the top left and then press creations. Once I'm in creations, I see any of my maps that are public, but then what I want to do is go all the way to the left tab and then click on development items. Now I see different things I can import and stuff. What I want to do is go ahead and find audio as one of them. Now it says upload audio asset. As you can see, I already have one uploaded. All I'm going to do is press upload asset, then I can upload it from my files. So all I'm going to do is just wait for this to load, or I can go over to the browse tab and find, any sort of like music file I want. So I'll just go ahead and find one like so. Go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to be right there. I can then go ahead and press upload like so, and then just wait for it to upload. Just be wary that the max size per file is 20 megabytes and audio uploads must be less than 7 minutes. If they're above 7 minutes, it's not going to let you upload it. And if it's above 20 megabytes, it's not going to let you upload that either. So then just wait for this to upload. Now, once it's uploaded, it's going to look like this. And now I can press the three little dots and I can copy asset ID, open asset titles or anything like that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, I can also go ahead and click on it. And I can also distribute it to the creator store to make the audio ID public. You're going to have to get approval to distribute, however, so you can submit for review like so. And all I could do is go ahead and, press all of this and then press submit. I'm not going to do that because it's not music I own, but of course, use it for music you own. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.